We're wasting our time. If I know our dogs very well. If I know them very well. I know that we're wasting our time. They have all these holes in the fence where they come out, where the cows did damage to the fence. Go back, Wana. Go back. So, Amon was supposed to be taking someone for lessons at country club, and they cancelled. I was going to use the time to put in my walk for the day. It's nice to walk at country club because there's no dust. I'm suddenly remembering how dusty this road is. So people are building out here. This house was built pretty quickly. Anyways, Moana. It's funny, the small ones are not following. She's the one. With them beat that. This is an interesting way to get to the shops. There's a guy right behind us. He's tilling this land. You think he did all this? Or they tractored it first?
No, they tractored it.
He's just making the beds.
He's burying a cable.
Okay.
It looks like someone wants to do something big.
Yeah, it looks like someone wants to farm big here. Because it goes all the way that way. So, we've arrived at the local shops. And this here is the shop. The main road is super dusty. This is the main road we're avoiding it.
I think it's closer with the main road.
You think it's what?
Closer with the
Yes, it's closer with the main road, but it's quite dusty. But we can venture to go the main roadway. The lady here is sitting outside.
We should be waiting for those cool guys.
So that's the store behind me. So the trip to town started with the refusal of the car to start, and we tried pushing, didn't start. Amon tried a few tricks, didn't start. Have you figured out? We just got it started, so I'm guessing you figured out what's wrong. What is wrong?
I just because it's winter, the battery is losing power.
Oh no, Amon.
Eh?
I'm remembering last winter
Eh?
when the one day the battery wouldn't start and we missed church.
Yes.
And then when the sun came out,
Yes.
the car started, but it was too late to go. That was last year. I hope we don't have this problem soon one of these mornings.
Nah, so we'll just sleep with the battery on charge.
We'll sleep with the battery on charge. Okay, so now we can go. Yep, he says.
But the other problem,
Guys, we're laughing because we passed what you call a truck had broken down carrying bricks, and they used the bricks as triangles. Like they stacked up a couple of, it was like 2 sets of bricks, about 3 bricks each set, so that's supposed to be your triangle. But the problem is that the bricks are hardly visible, that a person can literally drive over them and damage the car, right? And then when I'm thinking I've seen it all, we see a breakdown and everything. They were pulling a trailer too, so it looks like a Malaysia, those people who deliver goods from South Africa to Zim. So everything is outside the car, and there's a red scooter on the road, a And I'm like, guys, a red scooter, it's on the road. And suddenly it hits me, Amon, it's supposed to be on the road. It's a triangle. No, I've seen it all. Welcome to Zim. But like, someone will be having a nice car, and a trailer is not cheap, but they don't have a triangle. Amazing. A little bit of shopping that we did yesterday. So we've been on a break with the kids ministry. Just take a few weeks out and rest, and we are resuming again. So we went and bought snacks for the kids. These will last for 2 weeks. So 1 week they'll have the biscuits, and the 1 week we'll do the chips. And the sweets are rewards, whether for reading their books and knowing what their stories are, memory verses. We are trying to motivate them to learn. And yeah, we did a bit of fruits that are currently in season. And we've got tomatoes. We cook a lot with tomatoes. And we bought our starches already last week. So basically we didn't need to get our starch. Our meals are basically starches and vegetables, and you know that we grow our own vegetables. Toilet paper last a month. A lot of times you find these toilet papers that are like really cheap quality. That toilet paper is more expensive than this. When you're looking at the price, because this is $10, and you look at the price of those 6 ones that sometimes come in a pack of 2, 4, 6. Sometimes they come in a pack of 6. They can be something like $3. But when you add up all the monies, you'll find out that this for 18 is much cheaper than the small little packets of TPs that you get. And they are, it's not like this is thick. They're usually not thick. They finish pretty fast. Anyways. Suddenly I remember COVID and TP, everybody TP flying off the shelves. The juice for the kids, cooking oil was out. Mayonnaise, we use a lot of mayonnaise for sandwiches and salad. And toilet toothbrush was almost out. And that was all our shopping. We've got some vegetables that we're sharing with neighbors. We've got a couple of grannies in our area and a couple of neighbors as well. So yeah, this is where these are growing. I've literally lost my train of thought. But so the gogo across the field from us, absolutely generous. I don't know how many times she's blessed us with her harvest. Whether we're there or not, if we're not there, she'll throw it over the fence, put it in a plastic bag, put it over the fence. And if we're there, she'll just hand to us. I remember our first year here, she gave us a pumpkin. At that time, we're still getting electricity from our neighbors until someone reported us, and then we stopped. So we used to be able to use our oven. So I baked a pumpkin cake, absolutely delicious. Tastes something like a carrot cake. But anyways, so we gave her some to say thank you for the pumpkin that she had given us. And she brought the dish with tomatoes back. Like, she's not the type of person to just receive and say thanks. She'll find something else to bless you with. So anyway, Amon has been talking about this maize literally just the other day. If you know the company that's selling, I know someone who knows. I know who knows. There's a company that's selling all these open pollen seeds, and sometimes they've got like the colorful maize and stuff like that. So the other day, Amon was like, "Oh, but we have that type of maize in Zim," and I was like, "Amon, we don't have that colorful color, because some of the maize looks like beads. It's like that colorful, bright reds, oranges, the blues. I mean, it's like in amazing colors." Anyways, so Amon was like, "But we have that maize," but I was like, "Amon, we don't have that colorful maize." And then he told me about this one just the other day, about 2 days ago, maybe. So anyways, delivering vegetables to the granny, ended up with the blessing of seed for the open polleny maize that's colorful. So she was saying that So the seats at the ends of the thing, they are the weak ones and the ones at the bottom. So you want to keep the ones in the center. Yeah, wisdom from the old. And yeah, look at these legs, guys. Intestines.
Mm.